What's up, guys? So spring break has begun. I'm headed to Atlanta, and then I'm meeting up with Mark and Shelby at Mark's house, and that's when the fun begins in about 4 hours. So let's go. Getting kind of dark, so next time you see me, I will be at Mark's house. I've got about 2.5 hours ish left, and traffic's flowing pretty good, so shouldn't have any problems there. I just went through Montgomery, I think, and then I have to go through Atlanta to get to Marietta, and then I'll be at Mark's house. So I will see you guys at Mark's house. Okay, we are in Marietta, but specifically, where are we going?
We are currently in historic Roswell. This is a very nice area. We're turning right here.
Oh, okay.
We're going to the old historic Roswell Mill down on a creek. There are some small rapids. There's a big waterfall. There's a small cave behind that waterfall. And Shelby broke a tree. It's been a good day so far.
Shelby's directly behind me. She's camera shy, but that's okay.
We will change that.
We're now gonna go find a waterfall. It's somewhere. Mark knows where it is. I have no idea. I wish I lived closer to rivers like this. I would never leave. We found the waterfall. And it is big, and I shall get many pictures. Woo! Yeah, I fell a little bit. I fell. So that was a fun adventure, and now we are going into an REI to try to find stuff for my Costa Rica trip, and I also have $35 in a gift card, so we're gonna do that, and then we are going rock climbing and playing laser tag, and so I need pants and shirts, and there's one shirt. want all of these things. I found a shirt and I got a water bottle, but I'm gonna get everything offline probably because they didn't have very much stuff on clearance in the store, but I might come back just to look around because I like REI and it's fun. And they've never been until today, so. Well, have y'all been to REI?
Probably.
No. No. So now we're going to main event, which is an event place. So we're in here, and it's pretty cool in here. There's a lot to do. There's no rock climbing, sadly, but there is bowling. And you can kind of see behind me everything going on. There's a Shelby, and now we're bowling. So yeah, that'll be fun. Okay, so today was really fun. We've been absolutely all over the place. We are now in another nature area, but I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. More coming for spring break week. See you guys next time. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe.